Hello and welcome to this edition of Tech Tip Tuesday. In this video we will be talking about ProPresenter Templates. This is actually a question that we have had a lot after some people have seen the ProPresenter countdown video that we uploaded. In the previous video we were using ProPresenter 5. In this video we will be using ProPresenter 6, but the steps are very similar in both. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on this option that says Template. We will create a new template and we can call it whatever we want. For this video we will be calling it Countdown. That creates a blank template. We will start off by adding some text, and here we can type in anything we want. This is only for reference. Whatever settings and styles we set on this text layer will then be applied to our countdown. So we'll select all this text and start changing its style. I would change the font. So for this template I want something bigger, and also instead of being in the left side I want this to be centered. So I'll go ahead and center it. And since this is going to be a countdown, also I want this a little bit bigger. Here I'll make it 100. Now if I want to go ahead and create a template inside this same group, I can just click on this plus button down here on the left side and start changing this style. So for this one I want to make it a little bit thinner and make it a little bit bigger as well. So now we have two different templates. But let's say you want to have a countdown, but instead of having it in the very center you want to go ahead and have it on one of the corners. Well, you can also do that with a template. We add another template to this group, but this time instead of centering it we will align it to the right and then move it to the bottom. So this template, instead of showing up in the center, will show up on the bottom right. So you can continue to do this with multiple templates and have them in different areas of your screen. Once you finish editing all these templates, then we close the template editor, and now it's time to put up our countdown. Once you start your countdown, you can then apply whatever template you like from the ones you have already created. And so one thing I would like to show here is ProPresenter, as you can see, already comes with an announcement loop. So sometimes what you can do is play the announcement loop and use one of the different templates to still show a countdown. So we'll go ahead and show the loop and then apply one of those templates on one of the corners to go ahead and still have our countdown up there. Another really cool thing that you can do is add a message before your countdown. So here we're adding a message in Spanish that practically says, "Welcome, our service starts in," and then it shows the countdown. I really hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to send them over. I really appreciate the people who have reached out either through our Facebook page or by leaving us a comment. Continue to do that. It really helps us, it really tells us that you're finding this content useful. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions on a particular video you want for us to make, feel free to let us know. And don't forget to like us on our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And always remember to keep learning, share, and inspire others. Thank you, and God bless you.